What's up YouTube, it's your boy JB Kitchen here, and welcome to a coin tutorial. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to transfer a coin. So I'm just going to go straight into it. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You know how like the other tutorials, they show you like, oh, I'm going to show you the trick first, and I'm just going to get straight into it. So this is how you do it, okay? You want to have 2 coins, alright? I have $2 coins. It doesn't matter what coins. I prefer pennies because pennies are easier to, or less easier to see. But this is what I have right now. And what you want to do is just go ahead, have the people to check your pockets or whatever. You know, make sure there's no like extra coins. All right. And before you actually tell them to do that, you want to kind of hold one coin in your hand and kind of have the other coin, you know, shown out and stuff. That's gonna be your coin you're gonna be doing your magic with. So you want to just go ahead and have them check your pockets. You know, kind of check all your pockets, even your back pockets, you know. And as you're coming around, you want to hurry up and, like, slip the coin into your back pocket. You know, you just have them check them, and then you kind of go like that. You know, they're not going to be paying attention to that. They're just going to, you know, be looking. And then once you slip it in there, you're like, okay, you check my pockets and stuff, you know. Have them check your pockets. What you want to do, the trick to this is to make a little pouch. Here, let me set that down. To make a little pouch with your pants and your shirt. So you want to tuck it in. Tuck your shirt in. Make sure it's kind of deep enough so that way, you know, they won't be able to see the coin. And once you do the trick, you have to, you know how they do the coin vanish when it's like that, and then it's like kind of make it disappear and then it appears in the other hand? Well, in that trick, you don't actually grab it, you know. So with this trick, you're going to actually grab the coins. And you're going to kind of have your pinky open up your pouch a little bit. Kind of have it up here. If you have it down here, it's going to look too obvious. Like, you can kind of see the pouch. You want to kind of open it up a little bit, but then have it up here. And, you know, make sure they can't really see your pinky like that. And then once you do it, you want to actually grab it. And I'm going to show you guys like this. You want to actually grab it. And you want to actually put it in the pouch. So it's going to kind of look like this. If you do it really good, you have to practice this. If you do it really good, it should look something like this. Have it up here. Kind of go like this. And make it disappear. They're going to be looking at you like so crazy. I've done this to so many people. So, and once, you know, they're asking like, oh, where's the coin and stuff, you know. Even if they don't ask it, just still be like, the coin has transferred into one of my pockets. You checked all my pockets at first. We're gonna go ahead and check one of these pockets. You know, don't go straight to the pocket that it's in. Like, act like you don't know where it's at. Like, it's probably somewhere around here, you know. And then like check it and be like, oh, it's right here. And then if they, you know, if they want you to, they're gonna be so amazed. While they're so amazed, hurry up and grab the other coin out of your little pouch. And just like, if they want to see it again, you know, go ahead and show them. Same thing. You know, put it, you know, have them check your pockets. Have them double check it this time. Double check your pockets and then slip it in there. Make sure your pouch is deep enough. Open up the pouch a little bit and show them the trick. It's going to look hold on, I messed up. You got it. That's why you have to practice this. I just figured out this trick today on accident. But, and just go ahead and grab it. Oh, crap. Hold up. You have to make sure your thing is open. Make sure it's deep enough. And kind of go like that. And make it disappear. This time, you know, I would rather actually put it in a different pocket. Like I would actually put it in here. I put it in my back pocket, though. But I'd rather put it in, like, a different pocket. So, you know, because then they're going to start thinking something. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to slice that like button. Subscribe today to join the Samurai family, my brothers and sisters. And until next time.